In today's video, you will learn about the recipes for detox diet. There are lots of detox recipes these days that can help you eat healthily. Eating more fiber and drinking lots of water is the simplest way of detoxifying. Also, consuming lots of vegetables, fruits, beans and nuts is another way. A detox diet recipe also helps to get rid your body from toxins. Also, detox diet recipe will make your foods tastier, without you being worried about your health. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. 1. Gazpacho soup. Gazpacho soup originated from Spain. The ingredients are 25 grams fresh breadcrumbs, 2 to 3 tablespoons virgin olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 225 grams tomatoes, 3 spring onions, small clove of garlic, 1/4 of a large cucumber, 1/2 red pepper, 1/2 yellow pepper, juice of a lime, 450 milliliters tomato juice, salt and freshly ground black pepper. Method: boil 150 milliliters water and add to it the breadcrumbs, oil and paprika in a bowl. Remove the skins from the tomatoes by dipping them in hot water. Cut the tomatoes in half so that you can remove and discard the seeds. Then chop the flesh. Trim and dice the spring onions, and peel the garlic and cucumber. The peppers should also be diced. Keep back some of the diced vegetables to place in the middle of the soup when it is ready to be served. Blend together until fairly smooth the mixture of breadcrumbs, cucumber, peppers, onions and garlic. Stir in the lime juice. Then add this mixture to the tomato juice, and chopped tomatoes, season and chill for at least an hour. As it is made mostly of vegetables, it's very good for your body, and should be part of your recipe for a detox diet. 2. Detox drinks. Another recipe for detox diet is detox drinks. Detox drinks are drinks made of fruits, and are essentials for juice fasting, which is a body cleansing method. Fruit juice is quite easy to make as fruits are easy to come by. When fresh fruit is added to the freshly squeezed juices of organic vegetables, you have a good way to detox and clean out your body. 3. Alkalizing raw soup. This soup is another tasty soup that you should consider included as a recipe for a detox diet. It's made of 1 avocado, spring onions, a cucumber, handfuls of spinach, garlic, green or red pepper, and other nutritious vegetables. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 1 spring onion, 1/2 red or green pepper, 1 cucumber, 2 handfuls of spinach, 1/2 clove of garlic, 1 dessert spoon of healthy fat, flax, avocado oil, coconut oil, your choice. Bragg liquid aminos to taste. 100 milliliters of light vegetable bouillon stock, yeast-free. 1 centimeter of root ginger, grated, or 1 teaspoon of powdered pref. Organic. Juice of 1 lemon or lime. Optional: coriander, parsley, cumin. Blend the avocado and stock to form a light paste, then add the other ingredients and blend. This type of recipe is an excellent recipe for detox diet. Thank you for spending some time with us Natural Cures. Give us your opinion on this video. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. For more information, subscribe to the channel.